Hello there, my friends. Great morning. How are you today? How are you today? Rise up, rise up, rise up, champions! Hope you're doing great. Hope you're doing awesome today. Right now, I'm at day 2. Wow, day 2 of this growth conference. And since we're talking about growth, yesterday we talked about, the champion's mindset. Now let's talk about, wherever you are, if you're chiming in, great morning to you. Bit late, but still a wonderful, wonderful morning. So, no jogging yet. So, baka by Sunday yan. So, right now, yesterday we talked about mindset. Right now, ang topic natin would be all about pain. Pain. Diba? Pain. No pain, no gain. So, if you wanted to be a champion, you have to understand that pain comes with the territory. Kasama yung pain sa gagawin mo in rising up as God's powerful champion. So, whenever you experience pain, whenever we experience pain, it tells us something. So, these are some insights on pain. You just have to rise up. Pain is your greatest teacher. It tells you kung saan yung limit. It tells you your limits. It pushes you to your limits. If you experience pain, you know that there's some weakness there. So I've used to work out, and halata naman, di ba? I love fitness. I love working out. So I would do some push-ups here, push-ups there. Sometimes I would run. And just recently, we started rising up, and then we started running. You know what's critical? What I found out when I started running. First, cardio. It's a bit painful on my knees. That's why we started walking muna before running, because it tells me, the pain tells me that I'm weak in my knees, in my ankle, and then when I run, my cardio is weak. So I'd have to build that. But the pain, if I would, alam mo yun, kung iisipin ko, kung aalalahanin ko siya, kung iintindihin ko siya, wala akong magagawa. If I will be bogged down by pain, I can't do anything. I won't be able to develop myself, to develop my body, to develop my knees, my ankle, my heart. So my muscles, in other words. So pain tells me where the weak spots are. It's an information highway. It tells us who we are, what we need to develop in ourselves. So the same thing in life. Kung saan yung mga na-experience mong pain, you know that you're weak there. Okay? It is also a great teacher. If you experience something, it's either you learn from it, or you get stuck. Okay? You learn from it or you get stuck. Sabi nga, no pain, no gain. There's this saying, I've learned this from Arnold Schwarzenegger. So when you work out, you work to failure. You experience pain when you're lifting weights, and then you started to feel pain in your biceps, for example, in your laterals, in your chest. When you feel pain, you have to push harder. Only when you reach that point of pain, you have to push harder. Why? Because that's when your body is starting to develop. It's starting to develop. Your muscles, you're starting to build them. So, the same with life. If you experience pain right now, you have to move. You have to move. You have to continue on. You have to continue on, because it's developing you. It's leading you to the point of no return. Just like a rubber band, di ba? When you pull a rubber band, mahabang-mahaba, and becomes stretched. Sometimes, sa sobrang stretch niya, it will never go back to its usual size. So, pain, it teaches you. Either you learn from it or you get stuck. Second, pain is an information. It's a highway. It tells you where your weak spots are. So so that you know that you have to develop here and you have to develop there. Also, as champions, you have to let pain refine you and define you. Okay? Not because nararamdaman mo yung sakit, stop ka na. Let it refine you, let it define you, and eventually it will take out your weaknesses. It will hone your weaknesses. It will hone your weaknesses. So if you're feeling painful right now, it's okay. Because pain is weakness leaving the body. You get it? Pain, if you're experiencing pain, pain is weakness leaving the body. And ano yung pumapalit sa weakness na yun? Strength. It strengthens you. I recall isang kwento, one story. There was a man. Sabi niya, Lord, he's going to his goal. He is achieving his goal. Tapos sabi, there's this big rock in front of him. There's this big rock in front of him. And then sabi niya, Lord, how can I go through this rock? He can't go around. Hindi niya mabasag yung rock. He can't go up. So sabi, he realized, or the Lord telling him into his heart, push it, push the rock. So he started pushing. Lord, he's pushing the rock. Lord, I'm pushing, but I can't seem to move the rock. No, push harder. He started to push harder, but I can't seem to move the rock. Push it. Lord, kakapush niya. He's pushing the rock, but it doesn't move. Medyo nagtatampo na siya. Lord, you told me to push the rock. I'm pushing it as hard as I can, but the rock don't seem to move. Sabi ni Lord sa kanya, hindi ko na sinabi sa'yo na, you have to push the rock so that the rock will move eh. Look at your body. So, kakapush niya pala doon sa rock na yon. He's building muscles, his leg muscle, his biceps, his forearms, his chest muscles. Na-develop sila. Now that you have, sabi ni Lord sa kanya, now that you have built your muscles, now you can climb the rock and go over the rock. So that's what he did. Crazy story. But it's the truth. Di ba? Pain strengthens us. Pain is weakness leaving the body. So if ever you've experienced something and then napakasakit, it's okay. It's okay to sulk in that pain muna. But you'd have to look at what is the lesson behind that experience. Why was I hurt? Was I hurt? Why am I feeling first? What am I feeling? Is it because I'm afraid of what's in store for me, or what is ahead, or you just felt pain because of something else? So you'd have to analyze your what you're feeling now. Okay, so as the champion that you're born to be, we are going to experience pain. Hindi mawawala yan. Pain is part of life. So all you need to do is to look pain in the eyes and always have that mindset. I am a champion. Say, I'm a champion. I'm a champion, and I'm going to let pain refine me. It will refine me. It will take away the weaknesses from within, because pain is weakness leaving the body, and eventually I will move forward because I need to rise up for those people who believe in me, who trust in me. Alright? Nagets nyo? Well, that's it for now. So, if you're watching this, do drop in your comments and tell me what's the one pain that you need to chip away from yourself. Because admit it, we are sculptors. We are works of art. So, yung mga pain na yan, those are the unnecessary blocks or the unnecessary weaknesses that we need to chip away from ourselves, from our bodies, so that eventually we will become the best version of ourselves. We will rise up as God's powerful champion. Rise up, champions! God bless you, everyone. Do drop a comment, say hi. And of course, if you're watching this or you're watching this at a later time, do like and share this video. Who knows? Someone out there might be needing this. They might be needing this, and ikaw lang yung makakapag-send sa kanya. So, let's Let's spread love. Let's spread positivity here in this negative world, because this world needs a light that would inspire them. And together, as God's powerful champion, we can light up this world. All right, that's it for now. Say hi to Grant Cardone. He's interviewing Martha Stewart. Thank you so much. God bless you all. See you tomorrow. Bye-bye. I'm going back. Bye-bye. God bless everyone. Bye. Woohoo! Rise up, champions! Rock Nation. Woohoo! God bless.